Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me. Today I thought I would get ready for work with you guys today to show you how I get ready, what makeup products I use. I live in Dallas. I work outside. It's over 100 degrees every day, so less is more here. So I thought I would show you the products that I use to keep from getting like melty face. So I only use a few products. I only take about 5 to 10 minutes to get ready, so let's just jump into it. First off, I always start by putting on a moisturizer. I should be using something with SPF, but I'm usually in the shade, so it's fine. Like, I can't even get a tan where I'm standing, and the shade is probably like one of the only things that keeps me alive when I'm out there. Just saying. And if there's a breeze, that's nice. I put on some chappy stick. And then I use like, sometimes I'll do more, sometimes I'll do less, depending on if I have more time, but usually I use 3-4 products besides like my lotion and stuff. But today I'll do a little bit extra for when I'm feeling a little bit more fancy. So I'm going to zoom you in just a little so we can get all nice and personal. Maybe not that personal. Sorry about my door handle in the back. There's nowhere to film in my house. Matt's asleep right now. On the couch so I can film this video in my like beauty area. If you've seen my house tour, apartment tour, I can link it. You'll know where I'm sitting. And this freaking so just ignore that. But so we've got our moisturizer on, concealer. I use the Maybelline Fit Me in shade light. Now I have a tan. It may be too light for me. I still use it. I should probably have one darker color, but this is what I use. And this is my second one of these. I just like it that much. Usually I'll buy something new, but I really like this, so I bought it again. So I put it on all the concealer type areas, and I have my Real Techniques sponge. Look at how big this boy gets. Blend this in. I take it up on my eyelids. Here and here. My chin. I kind of roll it around. This just helps give some coverage to my face. Not too much, it's not like full coverage or anything, but just enough to help just a little bit. And then because I'm sweating so much, I would only do this like in the summer. I add some powder. Where's my brush? And I just use like any brush. Ooh, maybe too much. And then just set this to help it stay. And yeah, this is only because it's I'm super hot and I get super sweaty, so this just helps a little bit, but I don't always use powder. And then my very loved Rimmel Natural Bronzer. I broke the lid in two, but this guy is well loved. Usually this is like the only product I use on my face. I use it for bronzer and highlighter. I just take this brush. This is a BH Cosmetics 123 brush. I feel like I got powder stuck in my nose. And I pretty much just put this everywhere. I'm gonna have try to get Matt to film a video with me later. Either like the husband tag or the whisper challenge or something. So yeah, just put that everywhere. And then I take this brush. This is a BH Cosmetics 129 brush. This is probably my favorite brush that I own. These two. I just love these two brushes. And oh, when I do wear foundation, this is the brush I like to blend out my foundation with, but random side note. But I take this and I just swirl it in here, and then this goes in my crease all over. Hang on, there's powder stuck in my throat. So yeah, I don't think I don't know when this video is going up, and I don't know if I've already told you, but I got a new job. I used to work at the DFW airport here in Dallas. Whew, long story short, they cut my hours, and that's no good. Girls gotta pay bills. So I'm working at the same company my husband works at, doing the same thing for now, working full-time. That's probably why there has been no videos because I work Tuesday through Saturday, 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. So yeah, I have Sunday and Monday off, but when you work full-time, when does the house get clean? When does the laundry get done? So it's Saturday, or it's Sunday. Man, it's Sunday right now. What time is it? It's 2:53 p.m. I got up probably like 4 hours ago, and I just laid in bed because it was nice to just lay in bed. But anyways, I'm planning on filming a bunch of videos, stockpiling so I can edit them throughout the week, so I can get videos put up, because I don't want to stop posting videos, because I love making videos. And I love you guys. Your comments on one of my last speed cleans, you guys are so sweet, so nice. I feel like I've developed relationships with some of you because you always comment on my videos, and I'm always like hearting them, and I try to comment back when I can. I'm trying to be better about that. But just now I read all your comments, and they really touch me right here in the love organ. So just know, you guys, I was thinking about quitting. Like, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. You guys brought me back from the edge, and now I'm like, I'm far from the edge of quitting YouTube. So thank you guys for believing in me and sticking around, even though I haven't been able to post a lot. But you're not here for all this sappy stuff. You're here for my makeup tutorial. Hopefully you've clicked this video. Where were we? We just did powder. Okay, usually I would probably stop here, but sometimes lately, because I have a bit more time to get ready, I will do a little something extra maybe. I just pick a random palette. I either use the ShanXO or I have the Dream Street palette, just something with like some browns in it. But I also really love this Maybelline Nudes palette, and I haven't used it in a bit, so I thought I would dig this out. But I just take like, what shade do I use in here? Usually like this shade right here, this one, and I'll just use this to help define the crease a little bit more, add a little more pizzazz. And I really like this palette. I know a lot of people find it not very pigmented, but maybe because I started out with this palette, it was like one of the first palettes I ever got. I'm just used to it, and I really like it. So maybe we can come in a bit more. Hello. Oh my gosh, now I gotta fix the angle. YouTube problems. Okay. So, just putting this all in the crease and underneath again. Step up your game, Megan. just build this up a little to give a little bit more definition, drama, pizzazz. So there's that. A little bit more. Because I have hooded eyes, I like to take it up just above my crease actually. So it helps kind of define them more. I have really hooded eyes, so when I close my eyes you can see like no part of my lid shows. So that's why I like to bring it up just above here. Look at me trying to get all technical. And then I'll take like a highlight shade. You can see this shade I've used quite a bit, this white one. I'll just put this in like the inner. See, and this, I haven't used this in a while, and I've been using like those other palettes for highlighting. This is not doing it for me. Mom's got used to a good highlight, so I'm going to take the Shan XO Remix palette, and I'm going to use the OG side with Holy Grail. This is one of my favorites. We're going to brighten. Look at that. That's what I like. Put it there. And then usually I'll put like something on like the center. I watch makeup videos, so I just try to do what they do. And yeah, that's my eyes done. What did that take? Like 1 minute if I wasn't blabbering so much? Oh, wrong way. So, there's the eyes mostly. And then usually I'll just add some brow gel, but recently I have been just taking a bit of powder through my brows. I interact with more people in this job, so I feel like I kind of need to be a little bit more presentable. I work with usually 4 to 5 other males. I'm the only woman at this location that I'm at. And we're outside, we're like in a public area, people are walking by. I feel like I need to maybe step it up a little bit. So I take some of this MAC Brune in my eyebrows. You can see I've had this for literal years, and you can see the dent that I made because I only use it in my eyebrows. I take this like, probably scooch back in again. I've been blessed with pretty good eyebrows. So where's my spoolie brush? I just take, oh, hello. I just take one of these and like brush them up because Matt says I have Grinch eyebrows. Like when we go to the pool and I get out of the pool, I rub my eyes, they stick all crazy. So just fix those with that, and then I'll just take a little bit on my brush and I'll start at the back. My stomach is growling. Woo. Another thing about this job, I've lost like 5 pounds. I've worked there for like, well, today is July 1st. I've worked there 2 weeks now, and I feel like this is going to be good to help me lose weight because I've already lost 5 pounds in 2 weeks because I'm not sitting at home by myself eating Doritos. And then without picking up anymore, you saw I just kind of run it through the front, but I mostly just stick to the tail end there. And then same thing on this side, I start at the back. You guys know how to do this. You watch makeup videos. I'm just showing you what I do because I am not professional. And most people that watch makeup videos are probably not professional. So let me show you how a non-professional does it. Just so you know you can do it however you want. All those booty gurus. All the booty gurus are professional. They're like, have all the facts. What am I trying to say? Am I making any sense? Probably not. Welcome to my life. Welcome to my life. And just bring lace forward. brows take the longest. And then I just take some of this brow gel. And because I have Grinch brows, I gotta lock these babies in place. And this stuff's only like $3. You see, I use mostly drugstore stuff because I'm cheap. That's why I watch makeup videos, is for like dupes and stuff for high-end products. We can come back out now. We're done being up close and personal. Okay. And I always get watery eyes. Do y'all get that? Ugh. What is next? What is next? What is next? What is next? This contraption for the eyebrows. Do these thing. Now do these thing. And this is probably my favorite mascara at the moment, the Tarteist Pro. I got this in a BoxyCharm a while back. And it's almost gone. I'm sad. I'm gonna have to either buy a new one or live without it. But I think it's like $21, and I don't know if I'm ready to make that commitment on a mascara. I just like how the brush is like spiky. I like it. It's good for it. It does me good. We can't talk while we do this. Ah! I always mess up. I got a Q-tip on hand, on deck. Woo! That's basically it. Just enough to like enhance your features. Not so much like you look like you have makeup on, and then when you start to sweat, things get ugly. And then I just take e.l.f. Mist and Set. This is the illuminated one. I have like went through like 20 bottles of this. It's only like $3 at Walmart. Whew. Doesn't taste good. That's basically it. Sometimes I'll add like a lipstick, but it's usually something like this brown color. Just natural, everyday, easy. It's not sweat proof because I still sweat, but it doesn't like melt off my face because I barely use any face products. That's what I focus mostly on my eyes. How distracting is this? I focus mostly on my eyes because that doesn't sweat off. So let me bring in, hello. I'm still a little wet. I maybe went a little bit much on the spray. Okay, here we are. So, okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for coming and watching. I hope you got something from this video, if only some entertainment. Who watches videos for tutorials anymore? I mean, not me. I just like watching videos. So, anyways, thanks for coming and hanging out. How many times have I said that now? I don't know. All the products that I mentioned, I can link down below. That's very beauty guru of me. Yeah, this is how I usually wear my hair, just in a high ponytail, and then my little things at the side. I think I'm gonna get bangs soon. Not like bangs, but like bangs. Anyways, I'm gonna go now and film another video. Bye! What am I saying? Why are we still zoomed in? Why do I keep zooming in instead of out? Oh, the story.